If you're seeing the GOG unknown error, don't worry, this is usually a permissions issue or a broken background component. And in this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix you can try right now. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, completely close GOG Galaxy. Don't just minimize it. You want to make sure the app is not running in the background at all. The reason for this is simple. If the launcher is stuck or partially frozen, it can keep triggering that unknown error every time you try to update or launch a game. Next, right-click the GOG Galaxy desktop shortcut. If you don't see the shortcut on your desktop, you can find it from the Start menu or in your installation folder. Once you right-click it, choose Run as Administrator. Windows may ask for permission, so click Yes to continue. Running GOG Galaxy as Administrator gives it the access it needs to modify game files and write to your storage drive properly, which often fixes this issue immediately. After the app opens, try launching your game again or running the update one more time. If the error is gone, great, you're done. But if you still see the problem, we'll move on to the next fix. Now we need to restart the background helper process that GOG Galaxy uses. Sometimes this helper script crashes or gets stuck because of outdated app files, and that can cause the unknown error to keep coming back. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Windows Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for anything that starts with GOG Galaxy or Galaxy Client. You may see more than one related process, so check carefully. Right-click each one and choose End Task. This fully shuts down the launcher components so we can replace the broken files with a fresh copy. Once all GOG-related processes are closed, open your browser and go directly to the official GOG Galaxy page. Download the latest installer stub from there. Make sure you are using the current installer so you're repairing the newest version of the client, not reinstalling old files. After the download finishes, run the installer. When it asks where to install, point it to your existing GOG Galaxy installation folder and allow it to overwrite the current files. This is a safe repair method, and it usually refreshes the broken system files without removing your games. Think of it as forcing GOG Galaxy to repair itself while keeping your library intact. After the reinstall or overwrite is complete, launch GOG Galaxy again and test the game or update once more. In many cases, this alone clears the unknown error and restores normal function. If the problem was caused by permissions, stuck background processes, or corrupted launcher files, this should get you back on track. And just to be safe, always make sure you're downloading the installer from the official GOG website only. That helps avoid extra problems and keeps your PC secure. If this fix helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting guides like this. 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.